Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an account in Shein. Now without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Shein app. And before we start our video, in order to create a Shein app, you'll have to go to your Play Store and install the application. If you are confused about how to do it, then you can check out our another video that is a step-by-step tutorial on how to download Shein app on your phone. So without any further ado, let's get right into our video. Here we'll be opening our Shein application. Here, as you can see, once you have opened your Shein application, you'll be on the page that is shop, and from here you can see various options. On the below you can see about 5 options. Here you'll have to tap on the me option that is located on the very end. After tapping on the me option, here you can see various options, and on the top you can see about 3 icons, and on the right hand side corner you can see a gear icon. Here you'll have to tap on the gear icon, and once you have tapped on the gear icon, on the very first option you can see sign in and register. Here you'll have to tap on sign in and register. After that, here as you can see, you can either sign in using your mobile number or your email address, or you can also join with your Google account or your Facebook account. So here you'll have to type in your email address or your phone number. After that, tap on continue. And here you'll have to set in a password. The password must be 8 characters minimum, and there should be at least 1 letter and 1 number. Make sure to type in a password that you can remember easily and that is secure enough. And once you're done, here you can see option register. Tap on it. And once you're done with that, here as you can see, you'll have successfully created your Shein account. You can check it by going back, and here as you can see, your name has been listed here. And now just like that, that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create an account in Shein. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.